Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're now tuning into a try-on haul. So today is very interesting because it's not a clothing try-on haul, it's a sunglass try-on. It was kind enough to send me over some glasses, y'all, and I cannot wait to try them because they have some stylish glasses. When I say these aren't your regular prescription glasses, well, you can add prescription in them. However, you can be stylish while wearing prescription in your glasses. Girl. Now, y'all already know I do have a eye disease, so I really can't wear prescriptions in my glasses. I can't wear glasses at all, only contacts. However, I didn't get any prescription in these, and you can do that as well. You don't have to get any prescription at all. You could just wear these as stylish glasses, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I must say, my makeup looks very cute today, y'all. So every pair of shades that are going on my face are about to eat, okay? Makeup is done and slayed. I just know these glasses about to eat. So let's get into it. Starting off with the box. This is the box that they sent over, y'all. I love the orange aesthetics. Let's count how many pairs of glasses they sent. Vooglam sent me over 5 pair of shades, and I'm too excited to try them. Y'all, look at the cover of the case for the eyeglasses. Y'all, this is too cute. The aesthetics is aesthetic-y, okay? Period. I'm not gonna open it up because I don't want to open it. I just want to, I'm gonna randomly just pick one and we're gonna try it on. Along with them sending me over the glasses, they also send me over a duster for the glasses, y'all. This is basically to clean the lens part of the glasses. They have the duster matching the duster bag for the glasses. Y'all, I call this a duster because it's basically to clean the dust off your glasses. They sent me over 5 of these. Oh my god, so thankful because I could put each of these in its own dust bag, y'all. So that is a plus. I don't know what this is, y'all, so I'm gonna have to figure out what this is. It's like one of those 3D glasses that you use when you go to see a 3D movie. Oh my god, that's what this looks like. But I think this is like some type of measurement, but I don't need that, okay? We're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna try on these glasses. If y'all want to see all 5 styles of these glasses, keep watching. I see y'all stay. Let's get right into trying on these glasses. I picked up one. I just randomly picked it up, so we're gonna see which one this is. Ooh. Whoa, these are fire. These are fire. Oh my goodness. Excuse my lingo. Okay, I'm from Chicago, so the lingo is crazy. But these glasses are to die for. I love a good pair of rainbow glasses. And you know these glasses are fresh out the pack because it still has the this paper on it. Y'all, let's remove that. Look at the detail on these glasses. Whoa. Do y'all see that? This is crazy. And the quality of the glasses, sturdy. These specific styles are called Samson Bomb. I love the detail of this rainbow. Like, get into it. So the moment we have been waiting for, let's try these on. Oh. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my god. Y'all, let me actually do the duster. So this is basically what you're supposed to do with these. Oh, it's super okay, it's real clear. Okay, Vooglam is showing out with the glasses. It's giving, like, these are giving. These glasses retail for $23.99. However, let me stop you here before we get even further. If y'all like these glasses so far, I'm about to drop a code right now. These glasses will be way cheaper than the price I just gave y'all. But I'm not going to say it right now because y'all got to stay tuned to the end until I review every last style that I have sitting on this table. So y'all got to keep watching. I give these glasses a 10 out of 10. I don't know. They are eating right now. Like, they are going right with my outfit. It's just everything. I'm glad I picked these up first. But y'all, on to the next. Let's go try some on because I would keep these on forever. These are the next pair of glasses. Oh, I picked a good one. Y'all gonna go crazy when y'all see these glasses. These styles right here. Y'all. Y'all, do y'all see these? Hold on, let me take the paper off. I told y'all these glasses was about to be stylish. Like, y'all can pair these with any outfit or a certain outfit that y'all want to pair with. But these glasses, do y'all see the rhinestones on these glasses right here? And mind you, I just told y'all, I'm gonna keep saying it. I have prescription in these glasses. That is like the biggest plus because what? You don't just have to pick these up and not have prescription in it. You can get prescription in these glasses. Okay, let's just try it on because I don't want to keep talking. I had to clean the lens off, y'all. So these are how they look. And it's just a plain black stem. And I prefer it that way. I don't want rhinestones all over. They really did their thing when it came to this style. Like, I really like it. The simplicity of the black on the sides. And the front of the glasses are just rhinestone. Like, what? You say Renaissance? Please. Oh. Oh my God. Yo. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. A statement. These glasses are a statement. Vooglam is doing their thing when it comes to these glasses. Like, what? And then the bun, it just, everything is just going and flowing together. I am like in disbelief right now because even the second pair, I don't even want to take off right now. And I know that I have 3 more to try. I just, oh, Vooglam, you did it, you did it, you did that. I really like these pair of glasses because I have lashes on and I like to wear big lashes, okay? And these glasses feel so comfortable with my lashes on. The other pair, the lashes were a bit stuck. However, I just put them up just like right here to the tip of my nose and they were just fine. But these, I can like push them back and I really don't feel like I can move my eyes and it's really not pushing on my lashes. But I just love these glasses and I love how big they are. Like, it's giving. It is giving. Like, if I go outside with these glasses on, I bet you they're gonna ask, where did you get those glasses from? What made you ask? Got these from Vooglam. Because baby, they are snapping. Y'all did y'all think when it came to these glasses, but I love these. I'm so sad that we gotta take these off, but we're gonna have to go on to the next pair. Second ones are 10 out of 10. We have 3 more pair of glasses to review. I'm just gonna grab. Ooh. Okay, let's take these things off. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh, and the oh my goodness. Look at these. Wow. What's getting me is the gold trimming. I don't know if y'all see that, but that gold trimming, I love gold. I'm a sucker for gold. Y'all can tell. The detail by the gold trimming is crazy. Like, it is crazy. These styles are getting better every pair I open. I love like this little cat eye going on right here. Whoa, oh my God. These are so cute. I love these. It's simple with a little bit of umph to it. These are so pretty. These are perfect. These are very perfect. 10 out of 10. I will wear these like every day. And like I told y'all, the gold detailing is giving. Every pair of glasses that I tried on matches this outfit. Like, what? It's doing something to my soul, y'all. I love these glasses and I love the gradient detail that these glasses are giving off. It is just everything. If I haven't said the name, I will list the name to all the pairs of glasses as the glasses go, y'all. I know that y'all probably like, what's the name of these glasses? I'm getting so caught up in how beautiful these glasses are made. I am in love. Wow. Wow. This is all I can say is wow, but I'm in love with these. Let's go to the next pair of glasses, but I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to go take my pictures and stuff because I just can't. I love these glasses. I love the gradient. I love the cat eye. You know, some are very big cat eye, you know, from like those are cat eye glasses. But these right here, that slight touch of cat eye, it gives. It gives, okay? And it's just giving me an overall my top favorite. I like these. I like these. I like. Okay, let's move on to the next pair. So these styles of glasses are just heating up. Those were the third pair. Now it's time for the fourth pair, y'all. Oh my god. Let's see what the fourth pair is giving because what? Vooglam showing out. Vooglam is showing out. Okay, so the next pair of glasses that we have are these. Inside is like clear with like glitter speckles in it. This one is just plain black. I love the style. And then look at the detail in the front. Look at the detail in the front of the glasses. I love this half split right here. Like, come on. Come on, y'all. It's giving. These are so cute. Do y'all see the split on this specific style? And then right here, the glitter. Whoa. These are very cute. These are very cute. I may say, it gives me a basic pair of glasses, but with just like a cute style. So these are for the ones that don't want too much going on. Like we want a style, but we don't want too much. So these I will go for. These are very cute. Once again, 8 out of 10. I love them. I think I did a good pick. I think I did a very good pick, y'all, with these glasses. I really love these. I'm about to try my last pair, and I'm about to give y'all the code. So keep watching. Y'all gotta keep watching. We have one more pair of glasses left. These right here are very pretty and basic. I love the nude on the outside, and in the inside it's like a cheetah reflect. If y'all see, do y'all see that? It's like a cheetah reflect in the inside. Let's take these off so that y'all can see, but these are my favorite too because I wanted something that was every day, y'all. Let's take the tape off of these. Actually, it actually has the cheetah on the bottom as well, and as well as in the inside. And then on the outside and the front, it has nude. I feel like these will be a lot of people's faves too because it's just basic, but everyone loves nude. And a pop of cheetah, what? Killing it. On the stem of these, it is nude. I love that. Super cute. Okay, I cleaned them. Oh, I love how these bend. So you can just easily pop them on. So, oh yeah, these are super cute. And it matches my outfit. I'm glad I picked these last, y'all. This was not intentional. I give these a 9 out of 10. I absolutely love these. So freaking cute. I love these. I'm definitely gonna keep these on, y'all. I'm gonna keep these on because it matches the aesthetic of what I'm going for. These are very cute. These are a clear lens with that pop of nude, and it just gives, y'all, it just gives. That is it for the pair of glasses that they sent over. They sent over in total 5 pair of beautiful, stylish glasses that you can wear with prescription or without. Either or, you're going to be styling, okay? And I absolutely love all of them. So thank you, Vooglam, for sending over these glasses. To shop with Vooglam, don't forget to go check the description right below. Click that link. And if you made it to the end, you will save $15 off on 100 plus if you use the code GLAM2023, y'all. So go ahead and click the link down below. Tell Vooglam that I sent you because I know that if you are checking out, there will be a section that says note, like you can write them Tell them that I sent you. I just know that you are gonna love these glasses. And I know some of my dolls probably do wear prescription glasses, but I just want glasses that they could style with their outfits. And that's me. That's me because I can't even wear prescription because of the keratoconus in my eyes. So I would have to use these to style my outfits with. And like I said, the bun, the glasses, the earrings, everything is just really hitting. And I just love it. But if y'all do check out, don't forget to tell them that B. Marie sent you all. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Until then, I'll see you guys on my next video.